Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Pam. I am from Alexandra, and the name of my company is Joy in Style. So Joy in Style, we make jewelry. I started my company in 2017. Just when I got retrenched from another job. I knew where my friends and I, we always grew up like making jewelry, and they sort of kind of instilled that skill in me, as we were growing up. So just after I got retrenched, I started deciding to make jewelry, but that's not all I make. I am a part of a movement. It's called Age of Fam. We based go 7th Avenue. It's Friends, Art and Museum. So what we do there is also we lobby for artists, Zamo Alexi, to come out with their art and just bring out what they're able to create and stuff. So this is more for healing purposes. So what we do is we normally have bi-weekly flea markets. Go the Heritage Center, go 7th Avenue, where we have every artist at a Longkore, like they can create artists not only from Alex but from around, from everywhere. So here we have beret from Go Sophia. She beads them. She's a lady who we work with as well. So you can place an order for her to have Ndebele beaded berets. And then here we have a necklace that you can place an order for from Go Kiabaroka Biachi. And then also this is one of my jewelry and that I made when I started. So this is part of what I do as well. So this was part of a line that I made by Bitang Afro Dainty. So was using beads and all of that. But if you'd like more information about us, we have bi-weekly flea markets, Go Alex Heritage Center. So where we have a bit of everything, the artists Alexandra. So that's what we do. So even now here at TEA, we have a store where we have a bit of everything for everyone. And we have also used makeup. And if maybe you have used makeup or makeup that you don't like, you'd like to donate with, the initiative also Yako 7, what we do is we have kids around, because what we've noticed is that our kids normally see us like half the time we drunk. So mostly it's to create like a positive outlook to kids. So we have like yoga sessions sometimes, we have like art education, and then we have like Green Wednesdays where we teach kids like how to plant and stuff like that. And then we have Throwback Thursdays where we get like grannies to come tell kids about like stories, old stories or storytelling. And then we have like jam sessions, like where we have artists like coming through, like Batlo showcase like the different type of arts. So the initiative here, Rekisa used makeup and like maybe like just makeup for 5 rand. It's just for people to come create, to come like support the initiative. When we there go 7, at least we're able to buy kids like popcorns, just so they see anything and everything that we do. It's not only for the sales and anything like that. Hi, my name is Pam and I'm a township entrepreneur.